In this video, I will show you how to redeem Steam gift cards. So to get started, go ahead and open Steam on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your Steam account. Once signed in, click on the top right corner of your screen, and then in here click on account details. Now in here, go ahead and click on that add funds to your Steam wallet button, and that will redirect you into this page. So in here, click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, and then in this section you can go ahead and enter the Steam wallet code that you want to claim for your account. So make sure that you enter the correct wallet code for it to be able to immediately get credited into your Steam account and for you to be able to use it on buying items on Steam. And that's basically how you can redeem Steam gift cards.